Tikka rifles are the best bolt-action guns on the planet, period. Most people know Tikka is Finnish, but here's something you might not realize. Tikka rifles are made in the same factory and with the same craftsmanship as rifles from Sako, a famed high-end Finnish rifle maker. Beyond their reputation, there are some mind-blowing facts about Tikka rifles that even seasoned shooters might not know. So let's get into it. Number 1, every Tikka rifle is accuracy tested to sub-MOA before sale. That means when you buy a Tikka, you can expect it to be a tack driver right out of the box, without needing custom tuning or endless load development. Real-world tests confirm Tikka's extraordinary accuracy. For example, when American riflemen tested the .22 long-range Tikka T1X, they reported outstandingly accurate results. One ammo averaged just .54 groups, center to center, and all loads shot very well with zero malfunctions. And that's a rimfire training rifle. Tikka's centerfire rifles, like the T3X series, routinely achieve sub-MOA groups and often half MOA with quality ammunition, as many shooters will attest. It's not uncommon to hear of a Tikka posting cloverleaf groups at 100 yards using factory ammo. This kind of performance is something normally associated with expensive custom rifles, yet Tikka provides it in factory rifles that are decidedly affordable compared to high-end competitors. Number 2, built by Sako, high-end DNA at a budget price. Most people know Tikka is Finnish, but here's something you might not realize. Tikka rifles are made in the same factory and with the same craftsmanship as rifles from Sako, a famed high-end Finnish rifle maker. Sako is Tikka's sister company, and their rifles have a premium reputation and price tags to match. The surprising fact is that a Tikka essentially gives you a Sako-level barrel quality and engineering at a much lower cost. According to experienced gunsmiths and the manufacturers themselves, Tikka and Sako barrels actually roll off the same production line and are produced with identical processes in steel before each is chambered for their respective models. In other words, the barrel that ends up on a Tikka T3X is made with the same care and precision as the barrel on a Sako 85 or Sako 90. No wonder Tikkas shoot so well. You're essentially getting the heart of a Lexus for the price of a Toyota, and that's not an exaggeration. As one firearms enthusiast cleverly quipped, Tikka is Toyota, Sako is Lexus. How can Tikka rifles cost hundreds, even thousands less than Sakos if they use the same barrels and are built in the same place? The answer is that Tikka cuts costs by simplifying design and using smart, cost-saving features, but none of those sacrifices hurt accuracy or strength. For example, Tikka actions have a simplified design with fewer parts, and many components that Sako might make from metal are made from high-strength polymer on Tikkas. The magazine, trigger guard, and even the bolt shroud on many Tikka T3, T3X models are polymer, plastic, instead of machined metal. This doesn't degrade performance, but it does save manufacturing cost and weight. In contrast, a Sako rifle will have a finely machined metal bottom, steel magazines or floor plates, and a touch more cosmetic refinement. Fit and finish on a Sako is a bit more deluxe. You'll see finer checkering, polished bluing or high-grade walnut options, etc. Number 3, Modular ACE chassis, new for 2025. The latest Tikka T3X ACE rifles have taken modularity to the next level. The ACE series, introduced at SHOT Show 2025, uses an interchangeable magazine well and a stock chassis that fits any Tikka barreled action. For example, the ACE stock is keyed to accept both short and long action magazines and will work on any Tikka T3, T3X, or even the rimfire T1X. No gunsmithing required. The ACE target model also comes from the factory with a heavy match-grade barrel for minimal vibration and high heat resistance, and a 2-stage adjustable trigger. In short, the new ACE rifles are essentially one chassis fits all. You can swap barrels or calibers, use multiple magazine types, and even add extra weights or bipod rails, all in the same rifle. This unprecedented out-of-the-box versatility, plus features like ambidextrous thumb rests and ARCA rails, makes the Tikka ACE line a uniquely adaptable platform for hunters and precision shooters. Number 4, from Mosin-Nagants and sewing machines to modern Tikkas. Tikka's origin begins in the early 20th century under the name Oi Tikkakoski Abi, a Finnish company. By 1918, they were making firearms components, and by the 1920s, they acquired the machinery to produce their own barrels. Tikkakoski became an important arms maker for Finland. During the 1920s and 30s, they manufactured barrels and then complete rifles for the Finnish army. Notably, they produced the M27 rifle, which was a Finnish-improved Mosin-Nagant used by the military. So, one of Tikka's first big products was essentially a Mosin-Nagant bolt-action rifle, quite a far cry from today's sleek T3X. but it shows the company's deep roots in firearms. By 1937, Tikka even began making its first commercial hunting rifles, though World War II soon shifted priorities back to military arms. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. After World War II, the Tikka company fell under Soviet control as war reparations, since a German had owned it during the war. The Soviets had little interest in Finland producing guns for civilians, so what did Tikka start producing in 1946? Sewing machines. Yes, Tikka branded sewing machines became a major product from the late 1940s through the 1950s. In fact, they were the first domestically made sewing machines in Finland, and they were produced up until the mid-1960s. Imagine that. The same company name stamped on your tack-driving rifle was one emblazoned on sturdy Finnish sewing machines for homemakers. A blog from a sewing enthusiast even quipped, "Tikka means woodpecker in Finnish." What a great name for a sewing machine. It sounds absurd, but it's true, and it hints at another fun fact. Tikka in Finnish literally means woodpecker. This was originally the name of the village and factory, Tikka, but it's a fitting moniker given both woodpeckers and sewing machines are known for fast, repetitive puncturing action. Thankfully for us gun folks, Tikka's diversion into sewing machines wasn't permanent. Finnish owners bought the company back from Soviet hands in 1957, and by the 1960s, Tikka, now often just called Tikka, returned its focus to firearms. The modern era of Tikka bolt-action rifles really took off in the 1980s. In 1983, Sako, another iconic Finnish gunmaker, purchased Tikka and merged operations. Tikka's old factory was eventually closed, and production moved into Sako's facility in Riihimäki, Finland by the late 1980s. Under this new stewardship and later under Beretta ownership from 2000 onward, Tikka was reimagined as the brand we know today, a line of rifles combining Sako's renowned barrel making and accuracy with a streamlined, affordable design. The Tikka T3, introduced in 2002, embodied this philosophy. It was designed explicitly to reduce manufacturing costs relative to prior models, creating a more budget-friendly rifle without sacrificing performance. It worked. The T3 and its improved descendant, the T3X, launched in 2015, became a massive success. More on that next. So, from wartime Mosin-Nagants to post-war sewing machines, and eventually to some of the best-loved hunting rifles on the market, Tikka's history is full of surprises. It's a great conversation piece with fellow enthusiasts. The company that makes your sub-MOA hunting rifle once made Suomi submachine guns and sewing machines. And if anyone doubts you, you now have the facts to back it up, with the Tikka name woodpecker tying the wild story together. Few gun companies have a history as varied and fascinating as Tikka, and understanding these origins makes us appreciate the modern rifles even more. Number 5, global success, one of the world's most popular rifles and military approved. Considering Tikka's quality and value, it's perhaps no surprise that the Tikka T3, T3X series is one of the most successful bolt-action rifles worldwide, but the scale might astonish you. In March 2020, Tikka produced its 1 millionth T3, T3X rifle. That's right, over 1 million of these rifles have been made and sold. According to Sako's records, this is the largest production volume they've ever achieved for a single model line, and few rifle models in the world have ever hit the million mark. To put that in perspective, the T3, T3X family, introduced in 2002 and improved in 2015, has reached a level of popularity on par with legendary rifles like the Remington 700. For a Finnish rifle competing in a global market, that's a remarkable feat. Walk into hunting camps or shooting ranges from the US to New Zealand to South Africa, and you're likely to find a Tikka in use. It's truly become a global favorite for hunters and precision shooters alike, thanks to the reputation for accuracy and dependability we've outlined above. It's not just civilian shooters who recognize the excellence of Tikka rifles. Even military organizations have adopted Tikka designs for serious use. A prime example is the Canadian Rangers, a preservist patrol force that operates in some of the harshest Arctic conditions on Earth. In 2018, Canadian Rangers officially adopted a rifle based on the Tikka T3 as their new service rifle, known as the C19. This C19 is essentially a modified Tikka T3 compact tactical rifle, CTR design, licensed built in Canada with a few tweaks, like a larger bolt handle, a 2-stage trigger, robust iron sights, and a distinctive laminated red stock. It replaced the Rangers' venerable World War II-era Lee Enfield rifles. Why is this a big deal? Because the Canadian Rangers needed a rifle that could perform reliably in extreme cold, abusive conditions, and remain accurate enough for defense and hunting. The fact that a Tikka design won the contract over various competitors speaks volumes. According to the Canadian government's evaluation, The Tikka C19 offered the best combination of accuracy, durability, and ergonomics for use in minus 50 degrees Celsius blizzards or damp coastal environments where these rangers operate. In essence, the Tikka rifle proves so robust and capable that it's now a tool for national defense in the Arctic. That's a huge vote of confidence for the brand. Between the astronomical sales figures and the military adoption, it's clear that Tikka has achieved global success far beyond what its humble beginnings might have predicted. These rifles have won over farmhands and special forces alike. The millionth Tikka produced isn't just a number, it represents countless satisfied shooters around the world, from deer hunters in Finland to precision shooters in the United States to rangers on patrol in the Canadian tundra. And given Tikka's momentum, the number's only climbing higher. When you pick up a Tikka, you're in good company. Literally hundreds of thousands of fellow riflemen and women trust the same Finnish firearm, from forestry stands to combat outposts.